Hi everyone, it's Laura Milligan, and I'm super excited today to tell you about my B-Box for September. The B-Box is a monthly card class that I offer to go each month. So whether you live anywhere in the United States, I can ship it to you, or if you're local to me, of course, I always do a back porch pickup. This month I'm offering 2 B-Boxes, and so let me switch my camera down so that I can tell you about them. All right. So my first B-Box for September that I'm offering is a Halloween theme. And if you sign up for this, it's $35. You will get about $24 worth of Stampin' Up! Product. This box includes the iridescent pearls, a half a package of this wonderful black glitter paper. I love this. It's very thin, super easy to punch or die cut. Love this paper. And then you'll also get a half a package of the beautiful Magic in This Night Designer Series paper. Now this paper is kind of a Halloween theme, but as you see, a lot of these are really not Halloween patterns at all. You could use them year round. I love this pretty peacock one. I think that's beautiful. And the purple and the Cajun craze, of course. If we flip this over, you can see black and white, and of course we always love a black and white designer paper, don't we? There's bats on a few of these, but again, some of these, the black rose pattern, the harlequin pattern, you could use those for any project. There's a cute stripe. So you would get all of those in the September B-Box if you choose the Halloween version. Oh, and you also get this really cool mesh ribbon, which is perfect for these Halloween projects. In addition to all these products, you will get card kits to make 6 different cards. I have 3 different designs, and we will make 2 of each. Now I will prep these kits. I'll have everything prepped, embossed, punched, or die cut for you. You will just get to enjoy stamping and assembling the projects. And let me just give you a quick little peek of the 3 projects that we'll be making. So you'll make 2 of each of these. And again, you will get $24 worth of product. This B-Box is $35. I used the Ghoulish Goodies stamp set, which you can add on if you want at its cost, which is $22. I'll pay the tax and shipping. So if you want to add this on, you certainly can, or you may have a stamp set of your own that you would like to use, and that's perfectly fine. You'll still get the card kits, you'll still get all the product, and you'll have plenty left over to create more projects. This B-Box is $35. Shipping is $7 extra. And again, if you'd like to add on the Ghoulish Goodies stamp set, that would be $22. I'll pay the tax and shipping. That's B-Box number 1. B-Box number 2 for September features it's a Christmas theme. So with this one, you will get a package of our felt, and I will tell you, I have used this to die cut, even like stitch shapes, and it runs through our new Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine beautifully, and even has the stitching on it when it goes through. You'll also get a full bolt of this real red twine, and one of my favorite embellishments, the wonderful gems. You'll get a full packet of these. These are beautiful. And then in addition to this, again, this is about $24 worth of product. You will get the supplies to make 6 different cards, 2 each of these different designs. Again, I'll cut and prep and have everything ready for you. And you can see this one, we used the felt. You'll have plenty left over, plenty of all these products left over to create more projects. This one also is $35, and I did feature the triangle stamp set. You can use this if you like. You can add it on to your B-Box fee for $17, or you can substitute with another stamp set that you have. So this B-Box, which includes this product, the 6 card kits, both include a PDF tutorial and a video for each of the projects, so that you'll be able to stamp right along with me. You can watch the video, and it's almost as good as being in my studio in person with me. That would be $35. And then if you'd like to add on the triangle stamp set, it would be an additional $17. I'll pay the tax and shipping. Now I have an extra special that I'm offering this month. If you purchase both the Halloween and the Christmas bee box, I will include a surprise embellishment in addition to everything you're getting. And it's a surprise, but I think you will like it. It's one of my favorite embellishments offered in the August to December mini catalog. I will put a registration link down below in the description, or you can email me at laura@lauramilligan.com, and I'll be happy to send you a registration link through email. I love the projects that we're making in this class, and I know that you will enjoy them. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. And while you're watching this video, I'd appreciate it if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, I hope that you will consider taking these classes, and as always, I hope you have time to be creative today. Thanks so much, everyone.